What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're over at Fantom, guys. Nice little 5% gain over the last day. We're up at 225. We're sitting at a market cap of 5.69 billion, 24-hour volume, 447 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, depending on level of card you have, and travel incentives, $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. We've just printed the bullish cross on the MACD, which is a good sign. We have this inverse head and shoulders. We've broken our neckline. I can actually move this neckline up a little bit here. And your target is up here at about 247. If you're using our DCA strategy, your average price is sitting at about $2.12. So if it does come up to 234, that's a nice little profit of about 10%. And then we have our next take profit zone at 261, which would be about a 21% trade. Now I'm going to quickly take out this ascending triangle just to show you guys another pattern. I don't personally think it will play out, but it's always a possibility, guys. We have a left shoulder here, we have a head, and we could possibly form a right shoulder. It would be a large head and shoulders. Honestly, I don't think it's likely to play out, and I'll show you why in a second here. And if it were to roll over and break down, it just doesn't make sense to me that Fantom would come all the way back down to about $1.22. I really don't think it's likely. Even if we broke this neckline, I'm sure we would bounce off $1.94 or $1.64 at the lowest. But there's so many signs of continuation that I just don't think it's likely. But I just wanted to bring it to your guys' attention. And I'll show you why here. So we'll jump over to Fantom on the daily. So you can see the MACD is in the floor here. We're almost having the bullish cross. So if you see the MACD start to curl upwards, you're going to see your next impulsive wave here for Fantom. We get back above the EMAs, we're good to go. And you can see here on this chart, we're holding the support of this trend line. We've touched it multiple times as support. So as long as we hold this support, as long as we don't break this trend line, we get back above the EMAs, our next impulsive wave takes you up to the 1.618, which is also the resistance of this trend line, coming in at about $5.30 for Fantom. So not too much has changed over the last day, but I do think it's a good sign that we're almost having the bullish cross. Of course, we can continue to trade sideways a little bit, but once we push it back above the EMAs, you're going to see the bullish cross and your next impulsive wave, in my opinion. We have our bull run targets, 597. I do think Fantom is going to reach the 2.272, honestly, because Bitcoin is still going to 100K and beyond, in my opinion. Not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. And that could easily bring Fantom up to $9.93. So just a little bit of consolidation before the breakout, before the next impulsive wave, in my opinion. So if you're using our DCA strategy, do watch 234. That is a nice little 10% trade opportunity. I'd probably take some profits off the table myself as I am trading Fantom here. And then have my next take profit level at 261. So that's basically it for this one, guys. Quick shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, guys. You really can't beat it. And you can sign up through the Patreon. All right, that's it for this one, guys. Much love. Take care.